You guys, today we're making one of the most iconic dishes of the Philippines, Sizzling Sisig. This dish has so much history, but it's also evolved into something new over time. Sisig originates from Pampanga, a province on the main island of Luzon in the Philippines. Pampanga is often called the culinary capital of the Philippines, and sisig is one of its most famous creations. Historically, sisig actually meant to snack on something sour, like fruit dipped in vinegar. But in the 1970s, this woman transformed sisig into the sizzling pork dish we know today. In Angeles City, near the US bases, Americans often left behind pig heads they didn't want to eat. But to Aling Lucing, these weren't trash. She grilled them, chopped them, and fried them into this amazing dish. Over time, chefs began to experiment, adding mayo, egg, soy sauce, and even Knorr seasoning. Some people prefer the authentic version, and some enjoy these new additions. Today we're making both, so let's dive in. In this version, we're using pig ears. Traditionally, you'd use the full face and pig brain, but I only had access to pig ears, so this is what we're using. I'm gonna start by grabbing a large pot and add in the pig ear, whole peppercorn, smashed garlic, salt, onion, vinegar, and bay leaves. Cover with water, and I'm gonna let this simmer for about an hour until the ears become nice and tender. Once the ears are done, we're gonna let it rest for about an hour. Then we're gonna put them on the grill. This step is important because it's gonna give the sisig a nice smoky flavor, and it's gonna give us that nice crispy texture. Now I'm grilling the chicken liver, and I'm gonna keep it on there until it's fully cooked. Okay, once everything is done grilling, we're gonna chop everything up nice and fine. At this point, you should be drooling all over yourself. The crispiness, the smell, oh my gosh, your mouth will be watering. Before we combine everything together, we're gonna heat up our hot plate. This is what's gonna give us that sizzling sound. It's like music to your ears. And we're gonna add a little vinegar to our liver and mash it up. Okay, now it's time to combine everything together. We're gonna go in with that beautifully chopped pig ear, red onion, green and red chili, calamansi juice, salt and pepper, and the liver. Go ahead and mix it up until everything is nice and coated. Now it's ready for the sizzling plate. For finishing touches, we're gonna add more red onion and a Thai red chili. This smelled so good and I was ready to dig in. But first, let's dive into our next recipe. For our next version, we're gonna use mostly the same steps, except this version will have mayo, egg, soy sauce, and Knorr seasoning. The traditional version uses pig brain to get that nice creamy texture, but over time, mayo has been used as a substitute. This time, instead of grilling the liver, we're gonna cook it in a pan. I'm gonna melt some butter, then go in with chopped red onion and green chili. Now, I'm throwing in the liver. Once it's done, I'm gonna season with salt and pepper. I'm gonna toss in the pig ear, calamansi juice, soy sauce, Knorr seasoning, and mayo. This is going on a hot plate too, so we're gonna heat up our skillet and put it on there. This version is often served with an egg to make it even more creamy. We're gonna finish it off with red onion, Thai chili, and green onion. Most people enjoy this meal with a nice cold can of beer, but I'm not a fan of beer, so we're gonna skip that part. So here we have it, Filipino sisig 2 ways. Let's dig in, shall we? I'm gonna start with the kinda authentic Kapampangan-style sisig. Here we go. The texture is creamy and chewy. Oh my gosh, it's a little spicy too. I love it. And the citrus from the calamansi, chef's kiss. This is good, y'all. Okay, now let's try the popular style creamy mayo sisig. Wow, it is bursting with flavor. These are both really good. Like, you can't go wrong with either. Okay, you guys, that is it. This was my first time making this dish, and I am absolutely blown away. Let me know in the comments which one you prefer, the popular creamy sisig or the authentic Pampanga style sisig. Until then, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!